You're telling me that I have to leave this store?
Yes, ma'am. If you can't remove that from your face, I need you to leave the store.
This is a religious garment, ma'am.
I understand. But you have to understand, too, that this is a high crime area where we get robbed a lot. You need to remove that from your face or remove yourself from the store.
You think I'm going to rob you because I have my face
Remove that from your face or
covered?
remove yourself from the store, please.
What is your
I'm
name?
the manager, and I'm telling you to leave my store.
What is your name?
Have a blessed day.
What is your name?
My
Because
name is Jamie.
I'm going to contact Family Dollar Corporate. Your name is Jamie?
Have a blessed day. Have a blessed day. Absolutely.
I'm just making sure I get everything on camera.
Have a blessed day.
Because this is a country where it's freedom of religion and it's freedom of speech. I have a right to wear whatever I want to wear. There's women that come in here with bikini tops on.
I'll have the cops come and remove you. Thank you.
No, I'm leaving.
I'm good. Wow.
Astaghfirullah. May Allah help this world right now.